So hello guys, welcome back in the channel 3 official. Like, share and subscribe, we will value your support. In this video I have received a lot of comments in my video. The viewer are requesting me to make a video regarding the customization of WordPress. So in this video I'll teach you how to customize your WordPress site from 0 level to 100 level. It means that you will become the perfect in making some website perfectly. So I'm not just wasting your time because this video gonna be so much long over here. So let's move to the practical way. So let's move. For that I have a domain over here and my domain name is nepalliveupdate.com. so you can clearly see that I have nothing in my index over here. So I've just got this domain right now and I have taken off hosting from a Nest Nepal hosting. So this is the hosting area and this is my domain. So these two domain and hosting are on the same thing. So let's move. Now for that you should able to log in your cpanel from your any hosting. So if you take hosting from anything, any server, any brand, you will able to get to the login to the cpanel. So here is my cpanel and I'm moving to the cpanel. So after getting in the cpanel option over there, you can clearly see there Subculous apps installer or WordPress outside it. So in this hosting I have WordPress manager by Subculous, or I have application manager or Subculous apps installer. So I'm choosing this Subculous apps installer. So mainly in many of them this thing is available. So here you can clearly see that there is a WordPress. So we'll click on the WordPress to install. So just click on the WordPress and look, now this is my domain over here, choosing this nepalliveupdate.com. and one thing you have to remember is that if you install that WP in your directory, then you will receive a folder named WP, and when you click in this over here and only you will be redirected to the site. So this thing is not supposed to be done in your installation process. So I strongly tell you that remove this indirectory option blank. After that you have to name your site name. So I'm keeping as a tea lover. Your site description, so what is this for? So I keep this as a tea lover blog. But today I'm showing you to make a content regarding the photography over here because it's easy and I do not time to post articles over here. So I'm posting the photos over here. So let's move. So here you have to keep your username. This username and password are the things that you are able to log in to your WordPress. So you can keep anything. So I'm just creating a password over here, just random password over here. So I'll keep my password as admin. So you can choose these things, you can create anything over here. So it has told me bad, but however I can move forward. Let's move. So you can choose this one of the option, or you can just skip this one. I'm just skipping this part also and just click on install option. Now it takes some time to install your WordPress. Look, my WordPress has been successfully installed. Now let's move to our site. This is our site. Look, I've successfully installed my WordPress in my site. And second thing is, this is my WordPress login. So if you move to here, then you will redirect to your dashboard over here. So we need password to get login to your dashboard, that the password and username that you have recently kept over there. So another process of login is also here. You can keep your domain, you will keep a slash and you will keep your login and you will keep enter option over here. Look, this is the WordPress. So I have keep the admin. So we'll click on the log. So I'm directly moved to the dashboard over here. First thing you have to do in your site is you have to just install a themes over here. So for that I'm providing you the free premium themes over here. So I have a Jana themes over here. You can search over here, Jana theme, expensive over here. This is of the news or magazine, but you can create this one for anything. So here you can, it is $60. So you are gonna saving your $60 if you kindly DM me in the Instagram tillover2054. For that I am installing the theme over here. So how to install the custom theme and themes that was provided by WordPress. So let's move. We'll click on the appearance option. Now you can look, there is a theme. So you can directly click on the add new and you can install the theme over here and you can search theme over here also, but these themes are trial version, or you cannot customize all the thing over here because some feature are locked in this theme. So I have a premium themes over here. So for that I'll click on the upload theme. This is a custom theme. You can create your themes also by yourself using PHP file. So I'm clicking on the custom theme and upload the file. So I'll select the themes over here. So here I have a theme. This is the theme. We'll click on the yes and we'll install now. So it may take a time over here, but we are installing this theme. You can clearly see that our theme has been successfully installed. So we'll click on the active option over here. After clicking on the activation, you can clearly see that your Jana has been activated. We cannot install a demo over here because this is a crack version of the theme. So we'll just move to the site to reload the. Now I have some change in my site. First thing, we'll change our logo over here because there is a Jana themes and this is not our property. So first thing, we'll make this thing as a property. So for that we'll just move to the Jana option, and after that in Jana option move to the down over here and you can see the logo. So this is a logo. I'll keep as a site title and this is my text. So make shape change in your things and scroll up and again click on the shape change, because if you click here only shape change, then this will not update your site. So in every time when you update your things in your site, you have to click on the shape change, again scroll up and you have to click on the shape change over. We'll refresh. Look, I have successfully named our site as a. We'll do many things over here. Just have a patient and look to the video and just move with me, because if you move with me you will be very much helpful for you. So first thing, I will create some category over here. So we'll go to the post option and here is categories. So leave this and create here. First thing I'm adding is nature. So you can clearly see that I've added nature over here. Next is sport, and we'll add another one, blog based shot, because I'm making this as a photography. So I've added a category over here. You can add number of category. There is no limit to add category in here. So after that we'll move to again down over here, and you can in appearance you'll click on the menu option over. So here is menu, and for that create a menu first. So I'm creating the menu as a menu and create the menu. Add the category over here. So view all. So 1 2 3 4, this is my category. So I'm adding this to the menu over here. This is my menu. So you can customize over here. You can use favicon also. I am in the image. Okay, I'm selecting as this. Okay, we'll keep this thing in a block nature. So just use any icon and favicon over here. You'll just choose your thing over here. I'm just randomly clicking in this item because this thing can be customized by yourself over here. In sport, I'm adding a favicon over here. There are number of favicon over here. So just save menu. Now we'll refresh our site over here. There is nothing. So manage location. Click in the. After editing in menus, you'll click in the manage location. So you want to these things menu over here. Click on the menu and menu. So change this option and you will move here over here. When you reload the page, so after creating a menus over here, you should move to the page option over, because this thing will not show over here, because they do not know that this is your home page over here. So we have to set the home page over here. So when you successfully created your menu over here, we'll move to the pages option over here. After moving to the pages option over here, before that we'll move to the another part also over here. You have to install some plugin in your site over here. So you click on the WordPress. I'll provide this plugin to you. So this is the Jana themes, and we'll extract the file over here. So after extracting the file, you can just clearly see the option over here, the plugin. So we have to install this plugin over in the WordPress site. So for that we'll move to the plugin area and we'll add some plugin over here. Just upload the plugin. Choose the file. We'll move to the desktop. This is my plugin over here. I provide this plugin to you. So this cannot be selected. So one by one, just install this plugin. Okay, after adding the plugin to your site, you have to move to the, so after adding the plugin to your WordPress, we'll move to the site again. So this is our site. We'll refresh this site over here, so you can clearly see that site. So I have post some photos over here. You can just post your photos over here. I'll teach you how to post the photos over here. So just move to your WordPress dashboard over here, and you can click here, see there new and post. So from here you can post your something in your photo. So I have posted some photos in my WordPress. You can just click over here and add some photos over here, image, upload, and I'm selecting this one. Okay, this one. So from here, after adding these photos here, this is uploaded. So you'll click on the setting option and post. So for that we will select the category if you want to. So in which category do you want to post this photo, just click on the category that you have previously created. So after that you will scroll down and there is feature image. You have to select the feature image over here and you have to publish. Now this is done. Okay, published. So when you refresh the site, you can clearly see that the photos over here. This is the photo that I have just recently posted. Now here is no title. I have set no title over here. You can add the title to your photos. So you have to write the heading of your photos or your postage, anything, just whatever you like. So I'm just showing this sample. So for that, after this is done in your site, after posting some photos in your photos are posted in your site, you will click on the customize option. Here you can see the option over here, home page setting. So you will click on the home page setting, and in this here you have to keep the home page as a static page. Just click on the static page, and for that you have to create a home page over here. So for that you will move to the WordPress, and here is a page option over here. Okay, here is page. Click on the all page, and you will add a new page over here, and that new page name will be home page. So HOMEPAGE. So we'll publish these things. Okay, so when you move to the dashboard, you can clearly see that there is a home page over here. So you will refresh this site also.